Hey everybody, this hopefully, God, should be cool. So, I'm Greek. We spent some time in Greece, got some cool videos of there. But one of the things that I loved is the way they did their rotisserie style cooking. And they use it on a spit, but they do it vertically. And while I don't have that, what I do have is this Masterbuilt 1050. Awesome smoker. What are you doing in here, woman? You're supposed to answer me when I ask you a question. Oh, she just went to get that.
You said I'm Greek. Like, do they really know you're Greek? So I had to
They
prove.
do now. Oh yeah, that's proof. But they smoke. They put things on a rotisserie with heat around it, like the gyro. They also do that with. Thank you. This came from Anna, right?
Anna.
Ευχαριστώ, θεία Anna. They put things like the gyro sandwiches that they cook, but they also do that with chicken and with pork. Now, I've done this similar to that. There's a video with the Greek souvlaki where I take skewers and put them in potatoes and put the chicken, pound the chicken very thin and put that down on top of it, slide that over it and cook it in the oven like that. But since I have this rotisserie for my Masterbuilt now, I'm gonna try something here. And I don't know whether it's gonna work or not, but I am going to take, I have had 4 big, fat, juicy chicken breasts marinating for several hours now. And what I'm going to attempt to do is jam them on here and then secure it and lock these together and rotisserie them 4 big, fat, thick chicken breasts all together at the same time. So what I'm hoping to get is nice and juicy and flavorful on the inside, but good char and crispy stuff on the outside. I'm gonna use my meter thermometer to make sure that I get the right temperature because it's not on a wire, so it can go round and round. No problem there. So let's get started. First things first though, we start with ligo krasi. Yasas. Always helps the food. Okay, here we go. Lord help me. I think I'm gonna put it all on one side. And this is gonna be the far side away from the heat so that I can put some other stuff on the other side. I didn't go with an exact measurement on this recipe of what's in here, but it is essentially, tell you what, let's take this off. This consists of rosemary, thyme, garlic paste, onion powder. Oh, one thing I did not do, and my Greek roots just took a serious hit. I didn't use lemon. I have to put some lemon in here. This should have had lemon on it. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Before I do this, let's fix the lemon issue. So since I was such a dummy and forgot to marinate with lemon, taking and improvising. And I'm putting the fat side on one side and then the thick fat, whatever, thick side on the other side. And then crisscrossing my lemon so that we get as much contact as we can to the lemon. Oh, golly, this is gonna be good. I can just tell you already this is gonna be good. Now I'm gonna have to poke this all the way through and get one more chicken breast on here. So let's see how we can make this happen. Oh, that wasn't too bad. So let's get this one. Put some lemon on it.
I'll wait till we stop the video. We're doing a video. I'll wait till we get through.
And then get these on here. Just making sure to get it stabbed on one part or another. Add some more lemon.
Huh?
That one's what you want the water.
Why'd you say that?
Add more lemon. And then put it all on here.
Oh my God.
Tighten this down. Tighten this down. Next step is the smoker. All right, well, here we go with this. I don't know how well it's gonna hold together. Hell, I'm game if you are. Put it in. Turn it on. Smoker set at 250. And I'm gonna leave these mushrooms on for just a few minutes. And hopefully Sadie won't jump up there and open it up and eat it all before it's ready to go. But golly, my gut tells me that's gonna be yummy. Gonna take a little while to cook, but boy, does it look yummy. The meter says it has 1 more hour to go. Boy, I can't wait to get a hold of this one. Been on for a while. The meter says that it's 155 internal. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and let it rest inside because I am getting ready to go to bed. And I think it's good. Honestly, when you see it, what it looks like, I think you'll agree. I don't know about you, but I'd call this a win. Man, does that look good. Since I shot this at night, ended up cooking this till about 9:30, I couldn't eat it for dinner. So I brought it to work the next day. And just in case the outside edges are a little dry, which they could be, and I've got a plan for that on the next time I make this, I made some homemade tzatziki and I'm going to try it with that. But first, it looks like this piece is tender and juicy enough to try it without. Oh, yes, it is. Fantastic. Really good flavor. Now let's try some with the tzatziki. That bite was delicious by itself. I really don't even need the tzatziki, but you know, tzatziki makes things better anyway, so. Cheers. Definitely worth a try. I'll put the ingredients in the description. Hope you enjoy. If you like this, please subscribe, keep checking back, hit that like button. Thank you.